Welcome to the post-market analysis of 16th of June. So we discussed in the pre-market analysis itself that market is going to be in the range of 24,000 and 23,800. So yesterday, despite all that positivity, when market opened around 23,950, it just moved 50 points and then got stuck at 24,000 and made a double top at 24,000. And I've shown you previously also a couple of other instances where 24,000 became the double top and triple tops, and it have started falling. But yesterday, the fall was in fact slightly more. It was 150 point. But today, one positive is that it closed around 24,000 itself. So 24,000 calls have got protected, those who sold 24,000 call. But at the same time, market gave, in fact, it did not fall 150 point like yesterday. Everyone might have expected that from 24,000, even afternoon also when you got such a big candle at 24,000, made a double top again today after closing that level. And then we were looking for some at least 100-point dip to come to 23,900 at least from 24,000, but it didn't happen. And in fact, in the morning, we were looking for 23,800 to go and 24,000 to go. It will be in this range because whenever you see the last 2-3 months, market have always made a range of 150 points for sure, 200 point every day. But today, in the morning session, completely it was in just a small range of 75 points. That's it. And then we have seen some move to 24,000, but still market, the maximum moved is 23,900 at the bottom and 24,000 at the top level, right? But whatever we expected, whatever we discussed in the pre-market, the market is supposed to close below 24,000. And in the live market sessions also, we saw straddles at 20, right at the opening itself, we saw the straddles, and then 24,000 as the call sell, right? We plan to sell put at 23,900 and 23,800 levels, but that didn't come. So that's how it was today. And there was one good opportunity also on the call side, which you got from the CPR level. So let me show you what happened today. You can see this is yesterday's high, 24,000, double top. From there, you got a 150-point move. So that has been the convention. When you get the gap up, it's actually getting sold off. But unlike other days, it was not that severe, except towards the end. Market was holding that level till this. But again, you got 150-point dip. But today, it didn't happen, right? Today, market opened, it consolidated, came to this level, broke 20 MA. So thought it will go to the previous day low. But in fact, it bounced from that support level, CPR and R3, went till, this level. That is the R1. And then again got the dip, came to the same level. Market was holding this level, which is very good. 23,900 was holding couple of times today without breaking, despite the fact that it have broken yesterday. Today is not breaking. That means there is some positivity that we can expect for the upcoming sessions. There are multiple other reasons also. If you look at crude oil price, Brent have broken 80 below for the first time in last 3-4 months, right? So when it broke 90 yesterday, I told you this is the first time in last 2-3 months. So no, today it broke 80 also on the downside, which is going to be very good for us also, and for overall global market also. And rupee is also getting strengthened. I discussed that reason in the pre-market. The fundamentals are strong, but speculative activity is actually what driving or pushing rupee weakening, right? Because of the aggressive demand on the dollar side, that is due to speculation. And if there is a short covering which starts, then rupee gets strengthened at any point of time. And we have seen it went to that 24,000, just like yesterday, came here, got a dip. You can see a sharp dip also. After this candle, in fact, I also thought that we may be getting a move to this level once again, and they'll come and close around at least 950. I thought it will come, so that 950 straddle, even 900 straddle also will be good, right? 400, anyway, 24,000 will be protected. Even now also it got protected. So that's what the expectation, but that didn't happen. It in fact shows a strong close, just that it did not cross and closed above 24,000. But still, if you look at the closing basis, it's strong, right? And if you look at the last 3 days, unlike last 13 days, continuously Nifty was not able to close above previous day high. But now the scenario is different. This was the close. You got a higher close, and now again you got a higher close. So 3 days you're getting higher close, which is actually positive. Trading opportunity you got is here, CPR. Apart from that, maybe 24,000, there was a short opportunity. So otherwise, it was not that good for option buyers. It would have been better for option sellers. It's a seller's day. Completely today was a complete sideways day, especially if you look at the range. It's also just 100.23,900 to 24,000 range. That's completely turned out to be option seller's day. And as a seller, we made good money. Now, good thing, as I told you, it is close to 24,000. So I'm looking for a breakout tomorrow, just because today was the expiry. And if you look at last 3 days alone, close to 900-point rallies there in Nifty, which is almost 4%. So they just want to close below 24,000 expiry. Now tomorrow, I'm looking for a breakout of 24,000, because if you look at the crude prices also, very much comfortable. Rupee is also getting strengthened. In fact, I have discussed this in the pre-market itself. FIAs yesterday, they bought, but today I don't know exact figure. I'll talk about that in tomorrow's pre-market. I think I got a number that FIA sold less, actually around 750 crore only. But yesterday they bought. But in fact, FIA selling is coming down, which is also looking good. I'm not sure whether it is exact figure. Tomorrow morning I'll discuss in the pre-market. So positives, if you see, the Iran-US deal is there, rupee is getting stable, crude oil prices falling, market sentiment across the world, across global market sentiment is improving. Look at volatility, it's coming to 12. Last 3 sessions, it's consistently falling. Today, VIX have dropped 7% and it's 13 now. We have seen it is going to 25 also during wartime. So now it is half, 13. 13 means it's very stable. And it will be very difficult also as option buyers. We will not be getting much move. The premium will also be less. Premium move also will be less, and it will be trading in a tight range. As a seller, also you will face problem because you'll be getting less premium. And in case if you get a bigger move, then you will be in trouble. So again, we are looking for a technical breakout, right? 24,000. So tomorrow is what we are looking for. And Fed meeting is coming tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So that is not going to be any significant because we are, in fact, we were looking for a rate hike because of war, because of increasing crude prices and possibility of future inflation. But now since war is coming to an end, and crude prices falling like this crazy, so it can still further fall. So there is no chance that they will increase the rate. It will be like status quo. Whatever it is, as it is, it should be maintained. So no changes will be there. So that also is not going to make any impact. So now the market direction will depend upon the global cues, which is positive. FIA activity, the selling is actually coming down, but strong selling is there, but it is actually coming down volume if you see. And also the technical development. Technically now Nifty is looking long, just that we need to get a close above 24,000. A strong close above 24,000 can trigger a move to 24,500. Okay, so last few days we have seen between 23,000, 23,500. Now 23,500 is broken out, coming to 24,000. So this is going to be very important range. I'm looking for 24,000 to be broken out tomorrow, if nothing, against the market is happening today night. So 24,000 to be, just because it's expiry today, yesterday and today, it is controlled very well. It's a clear straddle play today. It's a clear expiry drama. So tomorrow being non-expiry, I won't be surprised if you get a trending day also tomorrow. It can be an upside move till 24,200. If nothing bad is going to happen, if things are like this, so tomorrow is going to be a day where we can look for 24,200. But I'll confirm that, looking at US market, gift nifty and everything in the pre-market tomorrow, and then we'll take a call. So the target that we are looking for next week is 24,500 range. We can look for the range of 24,500. So let's see. Yeah, there is nothing much to discuss as of now. Broader market outlook as of now is positive, right? Rupees getting strengthened. Crude oil is also better. And market is also if you look at our market, is the one which is even now underperforming. So we will have to get that momentum at least to 24,500 and next to 25,000 at least, if not 26,300 and all-time high and all. But at least some bounce we should be getting. So support can be 23,500 now, and the first target that we are looking for tomorrow is 24,200. If that is also breaking, 24,500. So let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. And tomorrow pre-market, I will update with the overnight developments which is happening, how US market have traded. If there is any further developments coming from Israel side or from Trump side, I'll have to also look into that and I'll be updating that. So guys, if you're looking for any live market mentoring program, you can trade. If you would like to trade with us in the live market, we have the community where we trade together, where we learn together. You can get in touch with us. I'll see you there.